So 2022 was quite the year for Salesforce. Here's a quick roundup of some of the biggest news and updates from the Salesforce-verse compiled by saasguru. Over the past year, Salesforce made significant strides, and the year kicked off with the CRM giant recognized as one of America's most just companies by Just Capital and its media partner CNBC. As per the Salesforce report, Salesforce finished 4th overall, up from 7th in 2021. Earlier in January, Lori Castillo-Martinez was appointed as Executive Vice President and Chief Equality Officer at Salesforce. According to Salesforce, Lori will lead Salesforce's global equality efforts, including equality strategy and programs. The pandemic challenged us to reimagine not only how we work but also how we connect. As a result, Salesforce launched the Trailblazer Ranch in February earlier this year to bridge that disconnect. Located in the beautiful redwoods of Scotts Valley, California, the 75-acre ranch-like campus will host onboarding, training, skills building, and talent development for Salesforce employees to connect in person. In March, Salesforce announced that Juan Perez would be joining as its new Chief Information Officer and also as a member of the executive leadership team. Per a company report, Juan has over 3 decades of experience in various technology leadership roles, and at Salesforce, he'll lead the business technology organization. Unveiling innovations across Customer 360, Salesforce introduced Marketing and Commerce Cloud features at HIMSS 2022. These new features enable health and life sciences companies to deliver secure, personalized digital health experiences while securing and safeguarding patient data. March also witnessed the launch of Salesforce's new Intelligent App Exchange homepage. The new homepage design makes it easier for customers to find the right apps, experts, and content on App Exchange. According to the company report, the new homepage will connect customers to 7,000+ pre-built partner apps, certified consultants, and curated recommendations based on user preferences, search history, industry, and more. Salesforce completed its acquisition of Phoenix in April 2022. By bringing Phoenix, a privacy, compliance, and data management solutions provider, Salesforce aims to help more developers and customers manage their data with built-in security and privacy compliance functions. At the World Tour in Washington, D.C., Salesforce launched CRM Analytics with new AI-based insights for sales, marketing, and service teams in every industry. These new technologies enable sales, service leaders, and employees across industries with AI-powered, actionable insights directly into the workflow. Furthering digital transformation, Salesforce launched No-Code tool to help automate government program delivery in April this year. The innovations help public servants to build, test, and automate complex policy-based rules with just a few clicks. Salesforce's giving touched a new high as the company reached over $500 million in all-time philanthropic giving. According to the company's website, the CRM giant has given over $530 million in grants since its founding. The report also mentioned, Salesforce also surpassed $100 million in annual giving in the 2022 fiscal year. At Trailblazer DX22, Salesforce and Slack introduced the Salesforce platform for Slack. The new capability empowers 11+ million Salesforce developers to build custom Slack apps directly from the Salesforce platform into Slack, using familiar tools and coding languages. In May 2022, Salesforce announced that it had been ranked the #1 CRM provider by the International Data Corporation, IDC, in its latest worldwide semi-annual software tracker. Notably, this is the #1 ranking for 9 years in running for Salesforce. In May, Salesforce announced that it had signed a definitive agreement to acquire Troops.ai, a leading provider of a revenue communications solution. Upon the closing of the acquisition, subject to customary closing conditions, Troops will become part of Slack, a Salesforce company. Salesforce introduced their new Customer 360 innovations across commerce and marketing clouds for building trusted relationships at scale at the Connections event in June this year. These innovations will help companies connect various services on one platform, personalize every single interaction, and build trusted relationships at scale without sacrificing customer experience. Driving equality and gender inclusion, Salesforce committed to a workforce with at least 40% women and non-binary employees, globally by the end of 2026. In August this year, Salesforce committed to this multi-year approach that builds on the company's ESG representation goals and drives gender equality at scale in its 77,000 and growing global workforce. The same month, Salesforce announced a trimmed-down version of its popular CRM service called Salesforce Easy. The new offering targets small to medium-sized businesses and helps drive effective growth and cut costs amid economic uncertainty. Salesforce marked its 20th anniversary in grand style by hosting Dreamforce at Home in San Francisco. Titled The Great Reunion, the three-day mega tech affair witnessed a slew of product launches, updates, and more. Front and center was Salesforce Genie, a real-time customer data platform that can integrate across the Salesforce platform. Meanwhile, Slack took the opportunity to preview a series of additions to its platform, such as Huddle's co-working, which includes video and screen share capability, and a brand new feature called Slack Canvas, which allows users to collect, organize and share content/information within channels efficiently. The announcement of Net Zero Cloud and Net Zero Cloud Marketplace was rounding off the big event. The former helps organizations meet their sustainability goals, while the latter is said to make carbon credit purchases simple and more transparent. Deepening Salesforce's commitment to workforce development, the company introduced the Hire Me button to simplify and facilitate hiring in the Salesforce ecosystem. Additionally, aspirants will be able to indicate interest in new work opportunities on their Trailblazer.me profile. The French government honored Salesforce chair and co-CEO Marc Benioff with its highest civilian honor, Chevalier de la Légion d'honneur, on October 8. Benioff received this distinction at a special ceremony hosted by the president of French Polynesia, in recognition of Salesforce's long-standing relationship with France and support to French Polynesia during the pandemic. In November 2022, Salesforce announced Patient 360 for health innovations. The new platform helps Salesforce's healthcare ecosystem deliver success with cost-efficient tools and automation to boost productivity. Stepping up digital transformation, Salesforce also introduced a new analytics bundle to assist customers in increasing efficiency with Tableau and achieving success now. The innovative platform helps companies consolidate costs and provides employees with the tools they need to gain real-time insights and make quick decisions. In December, Salesforce announced the general availability of the DevOps Center. The highly anticipated new product makes it easier to collaboratively build, test, and deploy custom solutions across the Salesforce platform and shorten release cycles. That's all in this roundup from saasguru. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Connect with us on social media.